Everything's looking so good. Well, good to me. After seeing all the dead trees gone, it makes me feel so much more safe when the storm comes. Because they were all right here. So we had pines extremely close to the side of the house that had died during pretty much the drought, the freeze, the pine beetles. It's kind of a mixture of it all. But look at these trees. So crazy. They've dropped them so fast. That is so stinking scary. Just push it. Oh, wow. That is so crazy. Ooh.
So cool.
That's crazy.